How you doing today, folks? Today we are going to participate in a chapter test review game on Kahoot. In order to do this, I've already sent you an email with the link for the Kahoot quiz itself. So once you click on that email, you will then next click on the link for Kahoot. From here, the Kahoot itself is going to ask you your name. So you will enter your first name, please nothing explicit. And from here, you will start actively participating in the quiz. Now, don't forget, this is also for 5 points on the chapter test, and the quicker that you're able to answer the question, the more points that you will receive on each answer. All right? So right there, you click on the answer, and then you will click next and get your next question. The person or the top 5 that get the most amount of points will receive 5 points for the chapter test. All right?